classes. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Mammals. Mammals are a diverse category of creatures. The great majority of mammalian species are terrestrial. Wait, terrestrial? Oh, terrestrial. That means they're land creatures. Mammals are perhaps among the most successful vertebrate animal groups. Evolutionary adaptations have allowed mammals to thrive in environments where few other vertebrates can survive. Dolphins. A whale is a mammal. Did you know, guys? Examples of mammals are dogs, cats, giraffes, armadillos, and dolphins. Wait, pets are mammals? Birds. Birds specifically belong to the tetrapods, a group of four-limbed animals that also include amphibians, mammals, and reptiles. Oh, reptiles. I love reptiles, they're the best. Birds specifically. Birds are a group of warm-blooded animals belonging to the order Aves, distinguished by feathers, toothless beaked jaws, the laying of eggs, a four-chambered heart, and a strong but lightweight skeleton. Wait. They have a light skeleton. Examples of birds are penguins, owls, ostriches, and macaws. Macaws are purple. You see that bird in the corner right there? That's a macaw. Fish. Fish are aquatic creatures with gills, scales, and fins on their bodies. In addition to being cold-blooded, the majority of fish lack eyelids and are quick in their habitats. Yeah, they're so quick. Fish are an essential resource for humans worldwide, particularly as a food source, commercial, and subsistence. Fishermen harvest fish from natural fisheries and ponds. Fisheries. Have you ever been to a seaside restaurant? Because I have one time. Examples of fish are seahorses and sharks. Okay. Reptiles. Reptiles are animals with four limbs or, like snakes, are descended from ancestors with four limbs. They are air-breathing vertebrates with skin composed of scales, bony plates, or a combination of the two. My favorite reptile is the turtle. The distinction between reptiles and amphibians is often confused. Reptiles have scales and have dried skin. Their skin is frequently lubricated with mucus, which prevents them from drying out. I love turtles. Examples of reptiles are crocodiles, turtles, snakes, and chameleons. They change color. Amphibians. Adult amphibians are animals that are able to live in both water and on land. They can breathe air oxygen through their lungs, unlike fish. Are those frogs? The distinction between reptiles and amphibians is often confused. Reptiles have scales and have dry skin. Their skin is frequently lubricated with mucus, which prevents them from drying out. Wait, didn't you already read this, guys? A great example of an amphibian is a frog. What about a turtle? They can also be in land or water. Yeah. Thank you for listening, everybody. So bye, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.